Hey guys, Andrew here with RCBS. Today, we're walking through the unboxing, assembly, setup, and use of the RCBS Uniflow Powder Measure 3. An easy-to-use powder measure built for repeatable, consistent charges. Whether you're setting up the Uniflow Powder Measure 3 for the first time or need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through step by step.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
In the box, you'll find the Uniflow measure body with metering cylinder, powder hopper, metering screw assembly, small and large drop tubes, lock screw, hex lock ring, handle assembly and screws, drain tube attachment, and a detailed instruction manual. The Uniflow Powder Measure 3 uses the same metering cylinder and rotor for rifle or pistol charges and covers you from 0.5 grains up to 95 grains, so you're ready to throw about any charge. Let's assemble the measure. The measure can be set up for right or left-handed operation. Keep in mind the side of the cylinder with the 3 holes is the side that you'll install the handle into. Once you know how you'd like to orient your cylinder, insert the metering cylinder into the casting. This will be a tight fit. Rotate the cylinder to help. Then, we'll install the metering screw assembly. First, thread the metering screw all the way down in the bushing assembly. Line up the flat edge of the screw with the cross hole in the bushing. Put the screw assembly into the cylinder. Make sure it's fully seated and aligned. Add the brass lock screw into the cylinder. The nose of the brass lock screw should contact the flat on the metering screw. Tighten your lock screw to stop the metering screw from rotating, but don't over-tighten. The metering screw should come in or out by rotating the cylinder bushing assembly. Next, install the handle by using the provided button head cap screws to secure the handle to the cylinder. You can position the handle up or down depending on how you'd like to throw powder charges. Now, let's mount the measure. The Uniflow Powder Measure 3 can be mounted to your press with the included stand plate or mounted to an RCBS Advanced Powder Measure stand for standalone operation. Thread the lock ring onto the powder measure to secure it to the plate or the stand. Then, thread the powder hopper onto the measure body and place the cap. If you'll be dispensing powder directly from the Uniflow Powder Measure 3 into your cartridge case, install either the small or large powder measure drop tube. The small drop tube is best for 22 caliber to 7 millimeter, and the large drop tube is for 30 to 45 caliber. RCBS also offers an optional 17 to 20 caliber drop tube. We're ready to set up our measure to throw the first charge. To start, add powder to the hopper, keeping it at least half full during use. A consistent powder column helps maintain consistent charges. Before we reload actual cartridges, we'll need to condition the powder measure. Set to the maximum charge by rotating the cylinder bushing assembly clockwise until the metering screw is all the way out. Cycle the Uniflow Powder Measure 3 by moving the handle until the powder is metered and dispensed. Your measure holds about 1/2 pound of powder. Repeat this process twice to meter 1 pound of powder through the measure. We've now put a thin coat of graphite on the internal features of the measure. Our powder will flow more evenly and smoothly and give us more consistent metered charges. Let's reload. Figure out your desired charge weight from a reputable data source. Throw a charge into your scale pan and weigh. Assuming you need to adjust your charge, break loose the brass lock screw. To increase charge weight, rotate your cylinder bushing assembly clockwise. To decrease your charge, rotate counterclockwise. Once you land on the correct charge, turn your brass lock screw clockwise to lock things down. Once the measure is set, cycle and confirm your charge a few times using an RCBS electronic or mechanical scale. This makes sure our handle is cycling consistently and the measure is dispensing the metered charge accurately. A few tips to get the most consistency out of your Uniflow Powder Measure 3. Use a consistent handle stroke every time. Consistency in motion equals consistency in charge weight. Bring the handle fully up and fully down for each throw. Give the handle a little tap to make sure all the metered powder is dispensed. When making adjustments, throw a couple charges between adjustments to settle your throws. Powder type can influence accuracy. Ball and flake powders can meter better than some extruded powders. Opt for shortcut extruded powders. Don't leave powder in your measure for long periods of time. Check your throws with a scale if you took a break in your reloading session. Once we're done loading, let's drain our measure for next time. Rotate your metering cylinder so it's in the dispensed position. Remove or loosen your brass set screw to remove the metering screw assembly. Put the drain tube attachment into the cylinder and install the brass lock set screw. Rotate your handle and the powder will empty. Once your hopper is empty, remove it and remove any residual powder from the measure. The RCBS Uniflow Powder Measure 3 is built for reloaders who want mechanical reliability and repeatable charge control. It's available as a standalone measure or included in many of our popular reloading equipment kits. Set it up correctly, operate it consistently, and always verify your loads with published data. For more information, visit us at rcbs.com.